Good afternoon, this is Kyle and David with Western Material Handling. Today we're here and excited to test drive stock number G20993. It's an excellent working 2000 Genie GS1930 Electric scissor lift. Dave's gonna run it up for us real fast. This unit will go up 19 feet with a working height of 25 feet. 30 inches wide. Has a 500-pound capacity. 24-volt battery system with a 110-volt onboard charger. Recently serviced, painted, ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either of our stores to check out our inventory in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you very much for watching.